Yes, we have learned all the 25 letters we have in Yoruba language, as well as the vowels that we have in Yoruba language, which are Faweli Aromukwe and Faweli Airomukwe. So, in today's lesson, we are going to be spelling, generating words by joining consonants in Yoruba language and vowels in Yoruba language together. That is consonant Yoruba and vowel Yoruba together. Fáwẹ́lì A, consonant G, fáwẹ́lì A. Put them together. A, J, A. Ajá, A, J, A. Ajá means dog. Fáwẹ́lì A, consonant B, fáwẹ́lì O. Put them together. A, B, O. Abọ́. Abọ́ means plate. Plate. Abọ́. Abọ́. Fáwẹ́lì A, consonant Ṣí, fáwẹ́lì O. Put them together. Aṣọ. A-sh-ọ. Aṣọ. Aṣọ means cloth. Fáwẹ́lì A, consonant H. Now, fáwẹ́lì àrọ́múpè ọ́n. Ọ́n. Ahọ́n. Ahọ́n means tongue. Fáwẹ́lì A, consonant P. Fáwẹ́lì A together. Apá. Apá means arm. Apá, arm. Apá, arm. This is where we are going to stop today's lesson on joining consonants and vowels together. All the words we generated today started with letter A. In our next video, we'll move on to words that begin with P. Odabo. Do check our page for all the letters in Yoruba alphabet and the vowels. Please follow and hit the like button.